So one of the questions I've been getting asked a lot lately is pre-litigation credit repair right for everybody? And it's not. Now what I mean by that is pre-litigation or litigation-backed credit repair, however you want to word it, can take up to 1 to 2 years. It can. Now, most cases that take a long time like that are something like identity theft or a mixed file. Those can drag out pretty long. So I'm making this video just to let y'all know that if you're in a hurry to try to buy a house or a car, then pre-litigation credit repair or litigation-backed credit repair probably is not for you. Is it the best way to fix credit? Without a doubt. There's no debate there. The reason that it's so much better than your regular credit repair is not only do we have attorneys that are doing the work, they're literally doing the disputing themselves as well, and your letters are going in with their letterhead on them. So they know it's coming from an attorney, so they take it more seriously. Now before I thought they didn't, but if they ignored those letters, it's just like if you would have sent it in yourself. It's not good for them. It's different if I send it in, even if I use my mailing service, which is what I do. I have to mail everything through my mailing service because of my location. But again, the main focus of this video is just to let you know that litigation-backed credit repair is not for everyone. If you're in a hurry to try to buy a house or a car, you may want to stick to the consumer law credit repair, which we offer as well. That one is only $99 to start and $99 a month. Another thing to keep in mind is to follow CROA, we had to reduce our processing fee from $199 down to $149 in our pre-litigation credit repair and our pay-per-deletion credit repair as well. CROA doesn't allow credit repair companies to accept more than $149 to start and no more than $199 a month. But of course, we charge $149 to start and then $149 a month. So again, pre-litigation or litigation-backed credit repair is the best way to fix your credit, but it can take up to 1 to 2 years depending on the situation. Now, another thing to keep in mind, if it does go 1 to 2 years, you're probably going to get a lot of money. And trust me, I've seen people get $20,000, $30,000, $50,000. Some people even get up close to $500,000. Now, I'm not trying to get your hopes up, but that does happen for some consumers depending on their situation. And obviously everybody's situation is different. But anyway, if y'all do have any questions about the pre-litigation, litigation-backed credit repair, the consumer law credit repair, or the pay-per-delete, please leave a comment or send me an email to everythingcredit@icloud.com. Hope y'all have a great night.